Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making twisted bacon, a fun and crispy take on your favorite breakfast treat. These twisted strips are crunchy, savory, and perfect for snacking. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 oven thick cut bacon. Directions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Take each slice of bacon and twist it tightly from one end to the other. Place the twisted bacon strips on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the bacon is crispy and golden brown. Remove from the oven and let cool slightly before serving. Prep time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 30 minutes. Total time: 35 minutes. Calories: 150 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 8 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.